One of the things that I now will go back and which I felt is very central to whatever I want to share with you is my mother's preceding what you're doing now. 1949, okay, 50, 60, 62 years, okay, 62 years ago, she decided that she wanted to record her story. She said, I know that there's such a thing as a recording machine. This is 1949. So I say, okay, I'll look around. So I look around, I go to department stores, I say, you got recording machines? They said, yes. They just came on the market. I mean, 48, 49, they just came on the market. Home recording machines. So I go to Masters, whatever. It was a discount department store, 48th Street in New York. You got one? Yeah. We got two kinds. We have this thing is a tape machine. This is a wire machine. Oh, tape recording, wire recording? I guess wire would be more permanent. I'm going to buy the wire recorder. I really knew. I didn't check Consumer Reports or anything, so I bought $149, a hell of a lot of money. So my mother's money, not much. Bought her a Webcore wire recorder. Okay, I read the book, showed her how to do it. You press this, you put the wire here, you spool it through here, and here's the microphone. And so my mother recorded her story. What's interesting, of course, is that when she started to record her story, it was very tentative, she spoke in English. And she said, my son bought this for me. I'm going to call it Malka, which is my mother's name. I'm going to be speaking to my mother. I'll tell her what is going on with me and how hard my life is and what is going on. And so she recorded one spool in English. And then the second time she put the spool on, she realized, ich kann nicht in Yiddish. It's easier for me. I'll record it in Yiddish. So, Malke, Mamele, mein Leben ist so schwer. And so for the next year, on and off, she would record her thoughts. What I did after my mother died in '51, I'm left with these tapes, with these wires, and then I converted it into tape, and then I converted it again. So the quality is, but it's now here at the Yiddish Book Center.